Trick or treat. Hey, how's it going? We got a brand new listing. Yes, on Halloween. So the owners already have their door ready for the trick or treaters tonight. But welcome to a cute little Wyoming house. This place is very nice. It's got fresh colors. It's got a really nice floor plan, nice kitchen. Wait till you see the kitchen and backyard. So we're gonna take a look around outside first and then we'll jump inside. All right, Mark Deering here, bringing you another brand new listing this week. Today we are in Wyoming, and you are literally minutes away from shopping, restaurants, and you're on a nice little drive here. Mature trees all the way up and down the street, nice sidewalk for taking the kids for walks. But before we jump inside, we're gonna look around outside first. So come on, follow me. All right, so you've got a nice carport here. Perfect for keeping the rain and the snow off the vehicle. Who wants to scrape coming into that season where you gotta worry about scraping your vehicle? Don't have to do that here. Nice big gate here that you can actually use to maybe get, maybe you got a pop-up camper, maybe you've got different vehicles, or you want to just get something into the backyard, so you got a nice big gate. There's also a small gate, so you don't have to always open the big one, but it does have both options. So as you can see, you've got a nice privacy fence. It is completely fenced around, so if you've got any pets or kids you want to kind of keep an eye on. Nice fire pit, mature trees, nice deck right off the slider in case you want to have cookouts, family over. Real cozy little spot. All right, so that's the outside. I don't have any candy. Only thing I can do is take you on a quick tour. Come on in. So right off the bat, you've got a nice size living room, and it's got the gray colors, which are really popular right now. You'll notice throughout that they did a great job with the colors that are in style with the paint. A couple other things that are noticeable right off the bat when you come in is that there is replacement windows. We got replacement vinyl windows, replacement slider, all updated, so they should be real energy efficient. So you've got a galley style kitchen with updated appliances. This is a hard surface countertop, so it's a real nice countertop, and does have a dishwasher. So you've got a dishwasher down here at the end, stainless steel appliances, which are included. Let's jump into this bedroom here off to the right. So this is one of two bedrooms on the main floor, and I don't know if you can hear my squeaky steps, but it's because there's the original hardwood floor. That's what's really cool about these age homes. Bedroom number 2 that we're looking at, this one is a little bit bigger. This is gonna be on the front of the home. Both have 2 windows, lots of natural light. Hey, how's it going? Check out this tile shower. It is tiled all the way from the ceiling to the ground. As you can see, a built-in spot for your shampoos and your body washes. All right, so let's head upstairs. You have a complete another bedroom. So this could be your 3rd bedroom. Big giant closet off to the side. It is truly a walk-in closet. Almost something you would not expect from the road, the size this place is. All right, so let's go through the kitchen and we're gonna go down to the basement. As soon as you get to the bottom of the steps, look at this space. Again, they're using it as a master bedroom, and they just had a recent baby, so it's kind of a nursery at the same time. Just tons of space down here. All right, so now we're over to the unfinished portion of the basement. So you still have a lot of storage. This is where the laundry is behind Katie there. And then you also have the mechanicals. All right, thanks for taking a tour with us. That is your 3-bedroom, potentially 4, 1 full bath, all redone with tile here in Badger, Wyoming Schools. come check the open house out or set up your private showing. Thank you. We got a wine rack. We got to check the wine out a little bit here. Ooh, Grand Traverse. This is actually good stuff. We've got some good stuff here from Michigan.